What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Hey, listen up, guys. Today on the educational / news channel, we're going to be giving you some pretty important news on Coinbase and their new suspension of a pretty similar or well-known token that you guys might want to pay attention to in regards to stablecoin. So, Justin, take us away.
Yep. So Coinbase is going to suspend Binance USD trading. So Coinbase has recently announced in one of the most recent tweets that the exchange is going to suspend the trading of Binance USD. The exchange mentioned that trading will be suspended on March 13th, 2023. So if you've been trading BUSD, you won't be able to anymore on that date. So you might want to note that date, and the time is going to be around 12 p.m. EST. Now, the exact reason for the delisting has not been mentioned. However, Coinbase stated that they are regularly monitoring the asset on the exchange to ensure that they met the listing standards. Details from the tweet revealed that trading will be suspended on Coinbase.com for both simple and advanced trades, Coinbase Pro, Coinbase Exchange, and Prime. However, the exchange made it clear that BUSD funds will be accessible and you can withdraw them at any time, which is still good because that means you can send your BUSD over there and obviously take it out for fiat later on. Now, Binance and BUSD are going through a tough time due to increased SEC scrutiny of the stablecoin issuer Paxos. Paxos was asked to stop issuing BUSD, and the stablecoin started slipping away from its peg. However, at press time, the BUSD has regained its peg, and there has also been a drop in the market cap for BUSD recently due to the ongoing issues. So, Hobbs, what do you think about Coinbase stopping the trading of BUSD?
I could go tinfoil hat theory. I could go with just the facts, but here's the thing. The reality is, if another stable coin, especially one as large as that of Binance, depegs, it's bad for everybody. We've been saying it for a while now, not only over here in Clear Cryptos, but as well as in the crypto shop. If you have your money on exchanges, you probably need to get them off. But if this leads to further allegations into Binance, or if there's a specific reason that Coinbase is limiting this particular sale of this particular stablecoin, and it's deeper than what we know, and Binance absolutely goes down because of this, Binance being liquidated can absolutely rock this crypto market back to the Stone Age. So let's hope that's not the case. I'm looking for Coinbase to maybe give us further clarification as to why they haven't, or why they had to do the suspension. Maybe it's just a little small error they got to fix, or at least that's what I'm hoping for. What do you think, bro?
Yeah, I mean, I think you brought up a really good point. I think the stopping of the trading isn't necessarily the worst thing that ever happened because it's just stopping the trading. But I think the reason why not coming out and them being so secretive about it gives me pause to be like, all right, you're stopping trading, but why? And the fact that you don't want to tell us why is a little concerning because the SEC has been on Binance, ever since the FTX collapse, and I think with good reason. But I try not to put my tinfoil hat on. I'm not saying I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt, but I want them to give me a reason before I go, crazy nuclear bunker. It's time to, go, get all my food storage together, huddle down, and, be safe. So, I'm always safe, but I'm not to that extreme yet where I got to be an extreme prepper. If you catch my drift.
Well, listen, you don't have to be extreme prepper. Just don't be caught with your pants down if
Facts.
Binance does go under. So let us know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Clear Cryptos educational channel. We'll catch you guys on the next one. My name is T Hobbs. Jay Seals is down there at the bottom. We out.